This is the TAT Saturday mock assessment of one of the aspirant Harsha conducted on 29th May. And we will be going with this TAT assessment one by one. Once you will complete reading the one story, the another picture will be showcased so that all the aspirants can say the same. And immediately after that, you will be reading the another story. Once your story is presented on the screen, Harsha, and likewise you have to read all the stories, and once it is completely done, after that we will going to go forward and do the analysis. Right? All set. Over to you, Harsha.
Yes.
Everyone watch the picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now start with story one.
Ramesh is a 12-year-old boy who wanted to participate in the science exhibition held at his school. He started finding out interesting topics best suitable for science exhibition. Then, after a little bit of referring books and internet, he selected the topics of Archimedes' principle. He made a plastic model of the boat, collected information about the topic from books, seniors, teachers, and internet, worked hard with the explanation part, and finally, on the day, gave his best and won first prize in the science exhibition.
Okay, all right. Here comes the second picture. Okay, there we go to the assessment. Yeah.
Atreya and his assistant are very famous, known as detectives. It was said that they solved cases very fast. Once they got a peculiar case of murder. Atreya started investigating the case, collected all the clues, and found that the murderer is one doing murders with revenge sought. He then investigated the suspects and finally caught the murderer and handed him to the police and got him submitted in the court. He got punished for his offense, as the outcome was the person who got murdered got to know about. It was incomplete story, sir.
Okay, all right. No problem. Let's go to the third. Here is the third picture. Okay, so let's go to the story.
Once a driverless chariot got on the road when it was just parked aside, losing its control. The chariot and the horse, which was side blinded, ran on the road. When a car lost the control, when chariot suddenly came in front and the car hit a
Your
person.
voice is low, Harsha. Your voice has gone low suddenly. I don't know why. Suddenly your
Sir,
voice has gone low immediately.
is it
Yeah,
audible now, sir?
yeah. Now it's loud and clear.
Yes, sir. I received a call, sir. That's the
Okay,
reason.
no problem.
Should I read it from starting, sir?
Yeah, go forward. Read from start.
Once a driverless chariot got onto road when it was just parked aside, losing its control. The chariot and the horse, which was side blinded, ran on the road when a car lost the control. When chariot suddenly came in front and the car hit a person. Ravi was nearby and saw the complete situation. Everyone surrounded him. Ravi immediately took the safety first aid from his bike and applied to his wounds, cleared the traffic immediately, and took the person to hospital. With bringing him at right time, the person was saved from with minor injuries. Ravi felt very happy.
Okay, next picture. Okay, let's go to the reading part.
Suresh and his friends once participated in the debate competition. They had only 1 week left with them. As they say, the more hard work we do, the more lucky we become. Suresh suggested to go to library and get some knowledge with important and trendy topics. They referred many books and newspapers on the day, for which, for their surprise, the topic of debate was a mixture of two topics they all referred. They gave their best with their views perfectly. They won the competition and celebrated together.
Okay, next picture. All right, let's go to the reading part.
Hema was a very ordinary girl of a village where there was no proper facility for water. From small, she has decided to clear this particular problem from her village, and so she decided to study for civils and become an IAS. She studied with full concentration and always topped her classes. After her BTech, she prepared herself for IAS prelims and worked hard, referred many books, gave mocks and dedication. Finally, she became IAS officer and made a canal type for her village, and along with that, she also cleared water, uh, education, and hospital problems for many other villages.
Okay, next. Go to the reading part.
Ramesh was going to his uncle's town, for which he bagged his luggage and was waiting at the station. When he heard the train was yet to arrive in next 10 minutes, he saw a person pickpocketing a person's wallet and started running. He immediately kept his luggage aside safely and ran to him, shouting and alerting people. He caught him, took the purse back, and returned and handed him to the station police, and went to his uncle's town and enjoyed his vacations.
All right, next picture. Okay, let's go forward to the reading part.
Harish and Surya were very close friends from childhood, but after their education, they departed for jobs far from each other. Though they wanted to meet each other, there was no time. Then once Harish planned with his friend for meeting. They both gave a 10-day leave at their workplaces and met together, along with their wives. Enjoyed a good time when Harish also planned for a get together of all friends. Harish contacted all and invited, and all met at a hotel and enjoyed a great time. Harish and Surya were very happy for the plan and enjoyed a lot together.
Next, let's go to the reading part.
Raju and Mukesh were very close friends. Once they both planned to have a jolly time together at the river bank and bought their spare dresses too for swimming. Also, they packed lunch boxes for themselves. Suddenly, Mukesh was getting pulled by river. Though he was trying to come out, he was to not able to. When Raju immediately took the rope found nearby, tied to himself, and threw one end of rope to Mukesh and started pulling him. Within a minute, Mukesh got out of river and felt safe then. They both changed their outfits and had lunch and enjoyed great time together.
Next, let's go to the reading part.
Once Karthik was passing through a town on a work purpose. when suddenly at a place he found a heavy gathering around a person unconscious. He cleared the gathering immediately to make the person breathe and get some oxygen, and immediately bought some sugar and water mixed and gave the person. The person recovered little bit, drank some water with the help and with help of Karthik, visited hospital, and after everything was safe, Karthik left for his job purpose, ensuring recovery of person.
Okay, all right. Let's go to the next. Right. So this is the next picture. Let's go to the reading part.
Jignesh was a BTech graduate who was in his interview trials. He applied for a job for which he got his date of interview with less time of 10 days. He took this as a challenge and worked hard, got himself prepared with knowledge of books and virtual experience by watching mock interviews. He then also self introspected himself and corrected his mistakes. On the day of the interview, though a little bit of tense, he motivated himself, got dressed formally, which gave him an immense confidence, and with lots of power and confidence, gave his interview and performed well and bagged the job.
Okay, next. Okay, all right. Let's go for the reading part.
Harshit and Surya were very good friends. They were always very supportive and helpful to each other. Once Harshit planned for a trip to a village and also spread awareness about cleanliness of rivers too. They soon packed their luggages and set off for their journey. After reaching, Harshit and his friend gathered all the villagers and expressed their views and pros of renovating rivers. Harshit's plan of cleaning river with manual and nets was liked by all. Two friends, along with villagers, cleaned the river and set everything neat. They both enjoyed their trip near the banks of river.
Okay. And last is obviously blank slide.
Yes, sir.
This is a blank. I believe everyone knows this. So fine. Let's go with the blank.
Satish is a boy who is very passionate about getting into armed forces, for which he worked hard, but he couldn't clear his NDA exam thrice. But not losing his hope, with his last attempt left, he started working not only hard but also smartly. Gave many mock tests, did self analysis and error introspection too. Then, with goodwill and lots of confidence, cleared his NDA exam, prepared himself for SSB 2 in the same way, and his dedication led himself into armed forces with pride and honor.
Okay, all right, Harsha. So now, before I start the analysis, you tell me first of all, according to you, which story was out?
Sir, I think the second story, sir.
Second story is out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me
I
how.
felt,
You tell me how it is out.
sir, because though I was not getting any idea when I saw the picture, sir. So I
But
just,
but
yes,
you said that if one story is wrong,
yes, sir.
so how come you call it as wrong?
Means wrong means I just framed it in a sentence that it was not actually a very good sir. I felt the story was not convincing.
Okay. Now understand one thing. First of all, there is no problem in second story. As of holistically, things are fine. Okay. Your overall tat looks to be fine and it is overall nice, well attempted, but you have technically done a blunder in the 12th story. Right. So now, before I tell you specifically what is the blunder and what are the few things, first of all, understand something a very important part. As you rightly said, that you felt that you didn't write the good story. Now, if when we talk about the TAT, which is a thematic a perception test, though in TAT you are supposed to write the stories, right? You need to write the stories. But the fact is, if you will become a storyteller, you will be kicked out of the TAT. You need to write the stories, but you don't have to become a storyteller. What do we mean by this? Please understand. What TAT is demanding a specific thing, which means thematic or perception test, which means I show you one particular picture, looking at that picture, how you perceive, and when you perceive, you get into the same situation and POV. And if you would have been in this POV, what is shown to you in front of the screen in the picture, what you would have done. So indirectly, it is not storytelling. Indirectly, it is about how you manage that particular scenario, which you yourself have to see how you look out at it. As in, there is always two choices for you. The half glass of water is filled or it is empty. I show you a picture. What you see in that, I give you a control of that because I really want to see how you see the things. And then I really want to see that what is your action. In other words, you are within that scenario and how you are perceiving. So from this, one thing is very clear. Who is a storyteller? Tell me. Storyteller is a spectator or the one who is the hero who is playing the action?
Actually, the spectator, I think so.
Correct. Right. So from this, when storyteller is a spectator, so from this, one thing is very validated, which I told you in the very beginning, that you don't have to become a storyteller. This is something I am right now talking to you in general for TAT, something important you must understand. Okay. You don't have to become a storyteller, but something which you have to showcase that how you would going to be, because I have intentionally put you in that situation, which I showcase you on the screen in the form of a picture. Now, these are few important things for all of you to understand very strongly in VAT. Now coming specifically on your analysis. In your overall analysis, if I have to go with, your overall attempt is a nice attempt, if I have to say, but let's go precisely. If I talk about your story first, it speaks about the creativity and the hard work, which indirectly shows my ability that I really can take the tough things going. When I come to your second story, it indirectly shows me your reasoning ability, your effective intelligence, and your organizing art. How you took the overall picture. To what you were saying, not right. See, you need to understand. आप उसको राइट क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो, क्यों बोल रहे हैं हर्षा? बिकॉज आप उसको स्टोरी टेलिंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से ले रहे हैं. स्टोरी टेलिंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से तो ली नहीं जाती है कभी भी स्टोरी. इट इज टेकन फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ हाउ यू परसीव. Then in the third, again, I was able to see your effective intelligence, sense of responsibility and decision making. With complete approach, there was nothing trying to be like where you are trying to show off something, but everything was going fine. Fourth, also, it shows your endurance, your smart work, your 100% commitment. Coming on to your fifth also shows very clearly a progressive mindset, problem solving approach, accepting the challenges and sense of responsibility. Very good. I can see few things are remaining consistent on the stories, and this is how the overall TAT is evaluated. TAT is never evaluated story by story. So overall TAT is evaluated as a whole. 11 and 12th separately, because there is a technical catch which is there. We'll come to that. Then coming to 6th, effective intelligence, sense of responsibility. Again, something I can see you are consistently taking forward with yourself, right? Now in the seventh story, it is always advisable. Now, first important guideline and important tip for all of you, and you must keep this thing. You have been following this everywhere else. Prefer you have done in 3 stories. Do not write these 2 names. Now, when you are doing this, this become technically a story writing or a storyteller. The moment you take 2 people into the picture and you become the third, you automatically take yourself separate to that POV. And it becomes like a storytelling. As I said earlier, also in PPDT also, and in this also, when you have done the psychology success blueprint, always take that one name, because that one person is no one but that is you only, the hero, the one who has been able to keep himself or herself in that perspective. So whenever you have to say this, you can simply say Harish met is one of the very close childhood friend. That's it. There is no point to give the name, right? So one tip for you, important. Rest, everything was okay in that also. Then 8th, again you took 2 names. No point, Raju, Mukesh, because you are diluting the overall effect of the story. Plus, here you are becoming a storyteller. So in other stories, you are becoming the action taker, a person within the story. Whereas in this story, it is becoming as if you are a storyteller, and you don't have to be a storyteller in that. Do remember, right?
Yes,
But apart from this, in this story also, it was fine. There was an action. I can see the common sense, effective intelligence, and the helping nature, which is again being consistent. Coming on to 9, it was again consistent with that sense of responsibility, common sense, and written very naturally in the flow. The 10th is little impractical. Though it is fine, but still it is little impractical. How it is impractical, if you will see right from the top till bottom, we have been talking about goodness. You are saying good, 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 right?
yes.
But if you will go with the 10th, in 10th, you have added few such things which is little impractical. How? Just read out the 10th story. Where is the 10th story? I want to tell you specifically.
Yes, sir.
The one.
Should I read it now, sir?
Right, read it. I will tell you exactly. You will get to understand.
Yes, sir. Yes. Jijnesh was a BTech graduate who was in his interview trials. He applied for a job for which he got his date of interview with less time of 10 days. He took this as a challenge and worked hard, got himself prepared with knowledge of books and virtual experience by watching mock interviews. He then also self-introspected himself and corrected his mistakes. On the day of the interview, though little bit of tense, he motivated himself, got dressed formally, which gave him immense confidence, and with lots of power and confidence, gave his best, gave his interview, and performed well and bagged the job.
Okay. Now, this story, I'm not saying what you have written is impossible. You being into the shoe, if something happens with you, what you have written is nothing impossible that can be possible. But tell me, you only tell me, generally, practically, when people have such a situation just in a short span of 10 days, generally, do people are able to change their overall persona?
No, sir.
And you have changed the persona of that person within 10 days. He self-introspected, did this. Technically, it is not, I cannot call it as an impossible, because transformation happens overnight, right? I have witnessed it. But right now, I need to look from an assessor eye, and you need to look from a point where I said to you earlier also that in TAT, what you write is something which is practical in your capacity. You don't have to talk about goodness or hypothesis. That only good, 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 good. It looks like you are over sugaring the things. Better be practical.
Yes, sir.
So here it was little out. Okay. So don't try to stuff it with the overall, with the coating of sugar. Stuff this overall game with what kind of a person you are. That indirectly will flares your lot of a persona, your indirectly personality, and lot of things will come automatically, as you have written in other stories as well, right? Then again, in 11th, you have written 2 names. Please avoid that. Now, coming to the 12th. Now, after reading your 12th story, I have, as an assessor, I feel that you are a little over smart chap. And now I will be really very particular in your VAT and SRT, though I will be otherwise as well. But now it looks like. Why? See, your overall thing has been going into a goodness. Correct?
Yes.
Overall thing has been going into a goodness. There on a particular story which I talk about, you got little impractical, right? In 12th story, you are totally intentional, not a natural story, pre-baked story. I can assess this very clearly. पहले से mind में set हो रखी है story. Please understand one strong guideline for all of you. Never write any such story which you have not experienced in your life or which is out of your capacity to experience. I'll give you an example. Please understand. आपने आज तक किसी भी आदमी का एक्सीडेंट जो हुआ उसकी मदद नहीं करी, मान लेना, और आप सेकंड फ्लोर से नीचे भी नहीं कूदे, ये दोनों काम आपने नहीं करे. बट अगर आज एक सिचुएशन आ जाए किसी आदमी की मदद करनी है, तो ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? यस और नो?
यस सर.
राइट. इट लुक्स प्रैक्टिकल. आज आपको सेकंड फ्लोर से नीचे कूदना पड़ जाए, ये आपकी कैपेसिटी में है? हो सकता है आपकी कैपेसिटी में हो. यू माइट बी एन एक्रोबैट और आप क्या पता बड़े करते हो. आई एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम अ जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग. क्या वो कैपेसिटी में है?
नो सर.
सो व्हाट इट मींस, दोनों ही काम मैंने आज तक नहीं करे, बट I should go with that thing which I have done it or which is in my capacity from a normal eye. I don't have to become a superhuman being with them. I don't have to show that, look, I am the only person now alive on this universe or on this planet who can really alone can make this mission happen. So the idea is in this story, first of all, the biggest error you have done is you have written something which you have not done at all. And I can easily see that it is a completely planned story. Just a simple question. Have you joined the armed forces?
No,
have
sir.
you got recommended from SSB?
No, sir.
How you can say that just by doing this dedication and blah, 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 so others don't have the dedication?
No.
And then? So please understand, all of you. This earlier also I have mentioned, again I am telling all of you. Blank story को कैसे handle करना है, फिर समझ लीजिए. You must go with the clarity of thought in your mind that what you will be writing in a blank story. There is no problem. Do go with the clarity of thought. पहले से mind में picture का POV clear होना चाहिए. Don't ratify it. Write it there. And along with that, plan that particular thought process, what you have existingly done in your life. Never ever write about फौज कि जी मैंने फौज में करना था, वो एक बच्चा था फौज में फलाना ढिमकाना. It looks like I am trying to impress. Why you are trying to impress me? See, what you write, that should have some weightage. आप मुझे एक चीज बताइए, एक राइटिंग की वेटेज कब होती है? If I ask you a question, a very simple question. If I ask you, there are 3 pieces of writing. How do you logically and scientifically state that which particular writing has some dearth and has some hand holding and is strong writing?
When it is practical, sir.
Correct. The writing which has a strong hand holding, which has some dearth, is the one which is practical, which means it comes from someone who is actually the one who has realized it. The moment when someone who has realized something writes something, it creates a different impact on the viewer, on the reader, and the one who is apprehending it. Because writing something from the POV, so it's exactly like this. I say, okay, describe the sweetness of gulab jamun. Case 1 without eating it, case 2 without, case 2 after eating it. Tell me which one will be more authentic and which one you will be able to describe more profoundly.
Second one, sir.
As simple as that. So better eat something and then describe.
Yes.
Let's not be try to be a good orator. Let's not try to be someone where we are just trying to this. So आपकी ये आखिरी स्टोरी ने आपको पूरा उड़ा दिया पूरे टैट में.
Yes, sir.
Understood? And understood how to handle a blank story. Never talk about forge. Forget about it. Write something which you are practically into. आप student है तो अपना student life का कुछ लिख दो ना. 12वीं में कुछ हुआ था. You are in college. Write something about college. You are in your job. Write about that. और वो क्या लिखना है? Keep that thought process clear in mind. Don't ratify it. And with that thought process, write naturally that thought process over there. उससे फायदा क्या होगा? जब आप उसको thought process clear रखेंगे तो एक तो कम टाइम में आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. But when you don't ratify and then you write naturally that thought process, so automatically जो ऊपर की 11 stories हैं उसी sync में 12th story आ जाएगी. It won't look like this is like super great, grammatically everything very nice, and ऊपर वाली तो बड़ी बेकार थी. So I clearly it tells you that you have ratified this. You have crammed this story. This is the way how you need to attempt that. Is that clear, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this was the TAT analysis of one of the aspirant Harsha, which we have done as an overall analysis.